Assalamualaikum and have a good day everyone. We'll move to chapter 4 this week, and chapter 4 is regarding industrial robotics. Like other chapters which has already been covered, chapter 4 will also be appear in the final exam questions. These are the learning outcomes of this industrial robotics chapter. Once you finish this chapter, make sure you can define an industrial robotics, explain the reasons for the use of robots in industry, explain the robot anatomy and its related attributes, describe the types of robot control method, and discuss the applications of robots. For your information, at the diploma level, we will cover theories on industrial robots only. If you are interested to learn more about the orientation of the robot, how the robot makes movements, how to calculate the speed and torque of the robot, etc., you are recommended to continue your studies at the bachelor level in the field of industrial electronics. For today's lecture, I will only cover part 1 of chapter 4. Today, I will introduce you briefly several about industrial robotics, including its definitions, function, several reasons why people are invest for robots, technologies inside robots, and many more. The term robot actually comes from Slavic language, means associated with labor. From this robot term, we have got some hint that robot and labor are interrelated. The robot term is used for the first time in 1921. The picture in this slide is a Czech dramatist who is said the first individual to use the robot term. According to Carol Kapik, robot means perfect and tireless worker performing manual labor jobs for human being. Now, let's look at another definition of robot. Robot, according to Oxford English Dictionary, is a machine, especially one programmable by computer and capable of carrying out a complex series of action automatically. According to Robot Institute of America, robots means programmable, multifunctional, manipulator designed to move material, parts, tools, or specialized device through various program motions for the performance of a variety of tasks. There are many other definitions for robots. You can find yourself on sites related to robots. Now, the easiest question to ask: what robot can do? We already know that robot can perform a variety of tasks. According to blog.learningresources.com, robot can do 10 incredible things, such as robot can cook, robot can run, robot can fly, robot can read, robot can prepare your medicine, robot can make music, robots can be your personal trainer, robot can read your mood, robot can make deliveries, and robot can perform surgery. These are only several examples of the robots can do. Today, the integration of artificial intelligence into robots has resulted in robots being able to outperform humans. Figure in the slide shows a humanoid roboid, which is a type of robot with its body shape built to resemble the human body. So this is Hansen robot, and this is the Sophia robot. Why invest for robots? Or why use robot instead of using human labor? These are several reasons why people are invest for robots. Robots never get sick or need a rest. So, robot can work 24/7, meaning that robot can work 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Robot can do dangerous tasks because when the task required will be dangerous for a person, robot can do. Robots don't get bored, so the work is repetitive and unrewarding is no problem for a robot. Most of the robots are equipped with sensor capabilities, intelligence, skills, and degree of mobility. Therefore, future robots are likely to have a greater number of attributes similar to human. Try to list a few more reasons why people or industry invest for a robot. Okay, now this is the focus of this chapter. We will focus on industrial robot. According to ISO website, industrial robots is a robot system used for manufacturing. Industrial robots are automated, programmable, and capable of movement on 3 or more axes. Therefore, compared to ordinary robots, industrial robots is to carry out manufacturing or industrial works. Does robots carry the same meaning as robotics? The answer is no. Robot is referred as a programmable machines that are usually able to carry out a series of actions autonomously or semi-autonomously. Meanwhile, robotics is a branch of technology that deals with physical robots. Therefore, from both definitions, we can conclude that robot is a machine, but robotic is a technology. Robotics is an interdisciplinary field that integrates computer science and engineering. Robotics involve design, constructions, operations, and use of robots. Robotics integrates field of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, information engineering, mechatronic, electronic, bioengineering, computer engineering, control engineering, software engineering, and mathematics. This slide shows a timeline of the historical developments of robots. From the timeline clearly shows that recent advances in digital computer technologies as well as artificial intelligence has led to increasingly advanced robot development. Robots can be classified into several types depending on their use. Among them are mobile robot, legged robot, autonomous robot, humanoid robot, industrial robot, remote control robot, and underwater robot. However, our focus in this chapter is only on industrial robot type. It was reported that the first industrial robot was Unimate and installed by General Motors in 1961. In 1961, the Unimate 1900 series became the first mass-produced robotic arm for factory automation. In a very short period of time, approximately 450 unimate robotics arms were employed in die casting process. Industrial robots consist of several main components such as controller, sensor and actuator, robotic arm or manipulator, drive, and an effector. The details regarding these components will be covered in the subsequent part. Now, back to the core topic to be discussed. What is the function of industrial robots? Why use industrial robots? These are several reasons for the use of robots in industries. Robots can substitute for humans in hazardous work environments. Robot can do repetitive work. So robots have the ability to maintain the consistency and accuracy of the product. Robot can be reprogrammed, and most robots are controlled by computers. Therefore, robots can interface with computer. And for part 1 of chapter 4. Thank you for watching and paying attention. See you in the next lecture.